Before you buy Hostinger, let me ask you one question. Why pay the regular price when you can unlock additional savings in less than a minute? Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 85% off on selected hosting plans. But if you use the special link in the description, you can also receive an extra 20% discount automatically applied at checkout when eligible. And that's not all. Depending on the current promotion, you may also receive free extra months, which can make the deal even better. The best part is that you don't have to do anything complicated. You don't need to search for coupon websites, you don't need to copy a discount code, and you don't need to paste anything during checkout. Simply click the first link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. Choose your hosting plan and continue to checkout. Your additional discount will be applied automatically when eligible. Now, here's something that often confuses first-time buyers. When you first visit the Hostinger website, you'll already see discounted prices. Because of that, many people assume they're already looking at the final price. But don't stop there. Continue through the checkout process and review the final amount before making your payment. That's where you'll be able to see your complete discounted total. And if the pricing isn't displayed in your local currency, simply click the flag icon at the top of the page and choose your country. The prices will automatically update. Now let's quickly compare the available plans. If you're creating a blog, building a portfolio, launching a personal website, or starting a small business website, the premium plan is usually the best option. For many people, it offers the perfect balance between price and features. Depending on the current offer, it can include a free domain on eligible plans, free SSL, professional email, one-click WordPress installation, the Hostinger website builder, and AI-powered website tools. That means you can buy one hosting package and get access to multiple tools that help you build and manage your website. But what if you're creating an online store? Or what if you're planning to manage multiple websites? In that case, you should also consider the business plan. This plan provides additional resources and may also include daily backups and a free CDN. Daily backups can protect your website from unexpected problems. If you accidentally delete important files or install an update that causes issues, restoring your website becomes much easier. The CDN can also improve loading speeds for visitors from different locations around the world. And if you're expecting high traffic or building a larger project, you may want to consider the Cloud Startup Plan. It's designed for websites that require better performance and additional resources. Depending on the current package, you may also receive priority support and a dedicated IP address. Another reason many people choose Hostinger is its beginner-friendly dashboard. The custom H panel makes website management much simpler. You can manage your hosting, domains, email accounts, security settings, backups, and WordPress installation from one place. You don't need advanced technical knowledge to use it. Hostinger also includes AI-powered tools that can help you create a website much faster. The AI website builder can generate a website based on your business or project description. You can then customize the design, edit the content, upload your own images, and create a website that matches your brand. Now, before completing your order, compare all the available billing periods. If you're planning to keep your website online for several years, a longer subscription can often provide better value. When a 48-month plan is available, compare it with the shorter options and calculate the total cost. But don't forget to review the renewal pricing before completing your purchase.